I want you to take a minute to imagine how life could have been for you if you can be able to earn up to $10,000 per month just by legally uploading videos on YouTube without stress. Now, this YouTube right here, known as Scenic Scene, earns up to $12,000 per month just by uploading videos on YouTube. And one of the good things about this uploading videos legally on YouTube is that you do this without stress and without having to spend the time on any equipment or even showing your face on your YouTube channel. All you need is just full websites just like PixelPay and Pixel, then you're off to the race, then with your YouTube sounds. So YouTube offers a good variety of free sounds which you can choose from to sync with these videos for it to make sense and for people to be able to consume it, and then you earn your money in return. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need to do to get started with this kind of videos in your channel without stress. So if you're just coming across our channel for the first time, you're welcome to Maken Student World, a home of so many opportunities. We share both academic opportunities and money making opportunities. So please don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful at the end. So guys, let's get back to the video. So guys, for you to get started in creating this kind of video we're talking about, we need to first create an intro. And for you to create an intro, we need to use Canva. So the reason why we are creating an intro is that if you look at this channel right here, the Scenic Scene that I'm talking about, looking at one of their videos, you will realize that the video has an intro. That intro is the first thing you're going to be seeing before you see the main video, which is the video right here. Now you see this video has over 3 million views in just 1 year of publishing it. So how do we get started in creating this video? Now heading back to our Canva app. So the Canva app makes it easier for you to actually create anything you want from it. So first thing we need to do is to head on to their search bar and then type YouTube channel intro. So we can from there and use their template in order to create something meaningful that we will use as intro on that channel. Now I will head on to search for something that I would love to use to create an intro. Now scrolling down a little bit, you will see what I'm actually looking for here right now. So this is it. This is the intro that I'm looking for. This particular intro, I love this one. So this intro, I'm going to be modifying it to something very reasonable, something that will be different from the template that Canva has shown me. So because of time, I'm not going to be showing you what I did here, but I'm going to be showing you the final result after doing it. So this is the final result right here, and you have already seen the the intro itself, and this is the final result. So maybe in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually use Canva to do any design that you can think of on Canva. After that, the next thing to do is to head on to the Pixel website. So this website is where we are going to be downloading some of the videos that we need for the video we are about to do, the nature kind of video we are about to do. So here we are going to be downloading all kinds of nature videos, both the animal kind of videos and what. So I'm going to be typing animal rainforest as my keyword. This is the keyword I'm going to be using to source out all the various animal videos and nature videos on the Pixel platform. So once I'm done inputting the keyword on the search bar, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the search icon for me to start searching for the videos that I need. So right here, this is the videos that I need, and as you can see, it has brought out all the videos of the animal kingdom. Now the only thing I'm left to do here now on this website is to start downloading this video one after the other so that I can use it. So clicking on this one, then I will download it. So and just by clicking on this icon, I will download as many animal videos that I want and as I can. So I need to download as many as I can so that I can actually use it to create a longer video that I'm going to be uploading on YouTube on my channel. So I'm going to download as many as I can on this channel. So once I'm done, I will also head on to PixelPay. So the PixelPay platform is just like the Pixel platform where you can actually get royalty free videos and including music without having any copyright strike or any community guideline violation
from both YouTube, Facebook, or any other social network. Now, just like the Pixel app, all I need to do is to click on the search icon right here. So once I click on it, the next thing I'm going to do is to type my keyword, the keyword I'm going to be using to source the videos I'm looking for. So here I'm going to be typing wild animal. Sorry, I'm going to be typing wild animal videos instead of wild animal, so that it will take me straight to what I want. So typing on the wild animal videos, this is what is going to be bringing out for me the various videos that has to do with any wild animal you can think of, like all the wild animal that you know about, and including the ones you don't even know about. So the next thing I'm going to do to avoid wasting your time is to start downloading it immediately. So the first animal I'm going to be downloading here is this big cat right here. I'm going to be clicking on it, and then I will click on this download button right here. Once I click on it, so this is the animal. If I click on it and then I click on the download button, so once I click on the download button, this is what is going to be showing me for me to size the video I want to download. But I'm not going to be sizing it, I'm going to be leaving the default size. So the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down a little bit and then click on the download there, on the download button there. So once I click on it, then I will click on the last download button for me to download it. So I've successfully downloaded this video right now, and I can still take this step to download as many videos as I want and as I can from this platform for me to use it on my own upload on YouTube. So you can do the same, take the same step and download as many videos as you can for your upload. Now that we are done downloading these videos from this platform, the next thing we are going to do, which is the next step we need to take in this video, is to put this video together for it to make something meaningful. So for you to put it together, all we need is a video editor. So I'm going to be using the almighty InShot mobile video editor app. So this is the app I'm going to be using to put this video together for it to make sense and for it to look good for upload. So the next thing I'm going to do is to open the InShot editor app, then click on new project. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to copy all the videos I downloaded right there. So I'm going to start with the first one and then the second one right here. You can see it right here. So I'm going to copy all of them and then post it to the InShot app. So this is it right here. Now let me fast forward this video so that you guys will see the videos that I actually downloaded from Pixel and Pixel combined. So these are the videos you're going to be using. Now I haven't arranged this video to my taste the way I think it's supposed to be. That's what I'm going to do after I've showed you guys these videos. So this is the video. Now I'm going to start arranging it in the pattern that will look more appealing to the viewers. So I'm going to start arranging the videos right now. So clicking on this particular clip you are seeing on this video right here, then I'm going to be dragging the first video I want to use, which is this one, to the front. So this video, why I want to use it in the front is that it serves as an intro to the other videos, because the video we are trying to show is about rainforest animals. So that's why I'm using the rainforest as an intro to the main video. So I'm done arranging this video. Let me just play it so that you guys will see what I've done. So this is the video right here, the video I'm talking about. I'm done editing and arranging it the way it's supposed to be. And for record's sake, you don't even need to have an idea of video editing before you can do this thing and actually do it now. All you need is just the InShot app and then importing the videos on the InShot app, and that's it. Now if you observe this video too well, you will understand that this video is not yet complete on what it's supposed to be. So to make it complete, first of all, I'm going to be heading to YouTube Studio to get some free sound which I'm going to be using on this video. Now in case you don't know, YouTube Studio offers a variety of free sound which you can use on your video without even having to fear of copyright or any other thing that is related to it, or any community strike. So heading on to YouTube Studio, I'm going to download some free sounds right there. So I'm done downloading the free sounds that I need for my video. I just downloaded few sound, but I'm going to be using only one sound here. So once again, I'm going to be heading back to the InShot app. So heading back to the InShot app right here, I'm going to open it again, then back to the video. So here we are again in the same video. So before I use this
sound that I just downloaded from the YouTube studio, the first thing I need to do is to add my intro. So this intro that I'm going to be adding is what is going to make this video look different before I add the sound. So let me look for the intro and then add it here. So this is the intro here. So I've added the intro. So this is it. The next thing I'm going to do is to add the sound that we just downloaded from the YouTube studio. So but before then, I want to add some little sound effects to this intro to make it look appealing to watch. So what I'm going to be doing now is to head on to the effect feature on the InShot app and then click on transitions and then check the one that will suit the effect that I want. So I think this one will be okay. So I will just choose it, use. Then after then I'm going to be adding another effect again to this part of the video. So I'm going to click the effect again and then search for the effect that I want. I want a wind effect to make it look like there is wind. So I'm going to be using this wind 5. So you can see, you see how the thing goes. So it's smooth. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to add the sound that we just downloaded from the YouTube studio. So for me to add the sound, I'm going to be clicking on the music feature and then click on imported. So these first two sound you are seeing here was the ones I downloaded from the YouTube studio. So I'm going to be using the second one, my first true love. So now let's see how everything goes together. Let's see how it goes together just by using all of them together. Let me amplify this sound so that it will make a lot of sense to people viewing it. Okay. You can see how it makes sense. You can see that it makes sense very much. So this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure that these sounds reach the end of this video, because this video is a over 12 minutes video. So I'm going to be making sure that the sound reaches the end of this video, and I'm going to achieve that just by duplicating the sound multiple times to reach the end of this video. Next thing I'm going to do is just to check the video to know if there is any mistake somewhere. So that's the next thing I'm going to do, which I don't think there is any mistake. So after that, the last but not the least thing I'm going to do in this video is to download it from InShot app. I'll click on save right here. So the video is downloading. So once it's done downloading, I'm going to play it for the final time so that you guys will see it. So and that's it. So the video is almost done downloading, as you can see. So once it's done, I'm going to play it. So the video has completed its download. So the next thing is for me to play it so that you guys will see the video. is all, guys. That is all you need to know in creating this kind of video that you can upload on YouTube to make money. Now the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys how to do is how to create a thumbnail for your video. So I'm going to be doing that with Canva. So heading back to the Canva app again. So now we are right on the Canva homepage. The next thing we're going to do is to click on this feature that is written make me an image. So make me an image is an AI tool that helps you create thumbnail on Canva in milliseconds. So I'm opening it right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to describe the kind of image I want. So the kind of image I want is just rainforest wild animals, and I've typed it already in the description box on the AI tool. So the next thing I'm going to add is just the 4K in order to further describe it very well. So I will click on create. So it has already created something for me. So as you can see, these are the things that it actually created that I can choose from to use as my thumbnail. So I'm going to be choosing this particular one right here. So I'm going to click on edit to further add something to this. So I will add just little something here, just the name of the channel I want to upload it in, which is nature scene. And as you can see on the intro of that particular video that I just did, you can see that the intro is nature scene, which is the channel that I want to upload it in. So I'm going to just add this little thing there, which is this nature scene right here. So once I add it, I will then further adjust this text, the nature scene 4K text, so that it will be bigger on camera. So once I do that, I download the thumbnail, and once I download it, then I'm done. I'm just done, guys. So guys, this is the thumbnail that I just did. Now you can see how good it is. So that is it for the video. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question you need to ask me concerning the video and or the thumbnail, please leave it in the comment section. I'm coming there to reply you. Bye.